We are back live in Studio B. We have less than 2 hours left in our Appalachia Strong Flood Relief Drive, and we are partnering with Appalachian Regional Healthcare, raising money for families impacted by the flooding. I'm joined now by members of the Lexington Sporting Club, some of them back there answering the phones. Coach Terry Boss here with me, along with Kieran Sargent, Milo Yosef, and Lucas Stauffer. And for you all, you've got fans that you're trying to build all across the state. I'm guessing this is really important for you guys to be in here and to give back, hopefully, to some of those fans that may come support you all.
Absolutely. This is something that's near and dear to my heart as a coach and near and dear to our club's heart. You know, we understand that we represent the community, and I think one of the greatest things we can do is use our gifts to help other people. And so if we can inspire, if we can help, if we can, when people are in need, this is what we want to do. This is why we're doing it.
We've got our players back there, so they need to have those phones ringing so they can answer. I'm certain that this also instills something in your players as well, of that service of giving back to the community too.
Absolutely. You know, from day one coming on board, it was important that we had good people that wanted to, again, use their gifts to help other people. And so it's who they are. And so for them to be a part of this and help out in any way we can, it brings a smile to my face to watch our players do this. And again, like I said, it's something that we always want to be a part of.
Well, the excitement is really building for you guys. And I know that a lot of times we're coming out here and we're asking people to maybe challenge some folks. You've got some fans already on board. Is there anybody you'd like to say, hey, give us some support here tonight?
I think look, it's on us to go out and perform in a way that the Lexington community is proud of. All across Kentucky, we want to build something that is special, that inspires people, and hopefully they enjoy it and leave with a little bit more hope and joy than when they came in.
And hopefully maybe some of these people that they can get up and they can see you sometime and you all can do something over there. I know it's not soccer weather right now, but we will eventually get to it. Coach, thank you so much for coming in. And we've also know that this devastation